MoneyGuidePro Retirement Planner Honest review. Watch before using. MoneyGuidePro is a widely utilized financial planning software, particularly among financial advisors focusing on retirement planning. It offers a range of features designed to facilitate goal-based on financial planning and client engagement. And here are the key features about this platform. It comes with a wide range of features. One of these features makes it stand out compared to other retirement planners. One of these best features is goal-based planning, interactive tools, client management models, and integration capabilities. So talking about the pros and cons, which comes with the good side and the bad side of this platform. So the goals to understand each and every good side and the bad side of the platform, especially the retirement planner, to understand what you're about to dive into. So talking about the good side, which is the user-friendly interface, effective for pre-retirement planning, and a market presence, which is very good, the good side of this platform. So talking about the downside, which is the limited post-retirement functionalities and the critique or a simulation accuracy, doesn't come with a cost consideration. However, if you are an advisor, and you should be aware of limitation in post-retirement planning and consider the cost relative to this specific need.